Since the General Motors Bedford truck rolled off the assembly line in 1950, the car industry has played an increasingly important role in Pakistan's economy. It has developed quickly from the 1980s onwards, and auto parts is now one of the country's biggest manufacturing sectors, bringing in around $6 billion a year. Growth rates have reached 7 to 8% annually over the past 5 years, boosted by a rising number of assembly plants set up by new entrants into the industry. Together, they help to churn out almost 2 million vehicles a year, from 2 to 3-wheelers to SUVs. Of the 3,000 auto parts companies working across Pakistan, the majority are small, so-called Tier 2 and Tier 3 producers operating at the bottom end of the supply chain. Just under a quarter are Tier 1 producers that supply parts directly to car companies assembling finished vehicles.
We have all the technology and processes are done in-house, from fabrication to paint and then assembly. Auto industry is one of the biggest industries of Pakistan, and obviously the sizable workforce and the large scale of it means that the growth of auto industries will automatically have a very huge impact on the growth of the economy of Pakistan.
But there are challenges. Inefficient practices and low-quality production are holding back growth, especially when it comes to exports, which were worth only $16 million in 2020. To help the economically important sector reach its potential, the Government of Punjab chose auto parts as one of the 4 industrial sectors ripe for expansion under the Cluster Development Initiative. As part of the wider World Bank program to boost jobs and competitiveness in industry, UNIDO teamed up with the Punjab Small Industries Corporation to implement the Cluster Initiative. With help from international experts, they identified a range of problems confronting the sector. Among them were a poor business environment, low levels of compliance on meeting product quality and standards, low productivity, outdated management systems, and a lack of modern energy efficiency measures or energy management systems. To tackle these issues, UNIDO provided international expertise to build a business plan that would reactivate and re-equip the dormant Auto Parts Support Center. At all stages of the process, original equipment manufacturers and auto parts suppliers played a key role in identifying what support services should be provided by the revived center.
UNIDO has helped us a lot by giving us foreign consultation, which helped us not only improving our quality but also our productivity and efficiency.
They also helped to highlight joint venture opportunities that would ease the transfer of technology to the auto parts cluster. Added to that, UNIDO developed a plan to improve the productivity of the auto parts cluster in Lahore and a separate project proposal on energy efficiency for this cluster. Thanks to action from UNIDO and its partners, a business plan was completed with buy-in from all parties. New technology requirements were identified, developed, and shared. 4 original equipment manufacturers, over 30 auto parts suppliers, and 3 international investment companies took part in the business plan development. And a $700,000 investment opportunity was identified.
I am very thankful to UNIDO, World Bank, and the Government of Punjab for providing us with this opportunity.
Other achievements include the establishment of a private sector mold manufacturing facility in Lahore. More developments are expected in future as those involved in the industry explore new opportunities to modernize technology in the cluster. The milestones achieved so far mean that the Cluster Development Initiative is set to become embedded as a fully operative arm of Punjab's Small Industries Corporation. Not only that, but a sustainability mechanism devised by UNIDO to scale up the initiative will ensure that SMEs in the province continue to benefit from the project for years to come. UNIDO therefore expects the initiative to boost the domestic and global share of Punjab's industrial clusters, as well as bolstering the long-term commitment between UNIDO and the Government of Punjab to drive inclusive and sustainable development in the region.